Hi guys, I'm Arki. I want to describe about Mataloko Seminary pig farm. Mataloko Seminary, located right in the middle of Flores, Indonesia, has a farm. The farm lies right in the eastern part of the senior high school complex called Tanjung. Tanjung has some huge and small buildings, including pigsties and fish pools. They provide meat and fish for the whole community of the seminary Mataloko. The three small buildings lying along the entrance. Three huge buildings lie behind the small buildings, and two other small buildings lie behind the huge buildings. One of the small buildings is a dorm for 3 employees, and one of the small buildings is a storeroom to keep pigs' food. And the last small buildings is for organic processing unit. Out of the 3 huge buildings, two buildings is used as pigsties, namely pigsty A built in 1950s and pigsty B built in 1980s. The size of each of them is around 40 meters by 15 meters. Each of them has a tall, strong roof without a ceiling. They also have ventilations, so there is more than enough fresh air coming in and out of the buildings. Let's go inside the farm.
Hello friends, I'm Armin. I'm from last grade from Mataloko Seminary, Junior High School. I want to tell you about the pigsties. At present, after the age of plates, pigsty A has 2 male pigs and 8 sows. This is the pigsty A. Pigsty B has 2 male pigs, 8 sows and 37 piglets. This is the pigsty B. Altogether, there are 57 pigs. Each pig in pigsty A lives in his or her partitions made of very strong iron rods. Meanwhile, pigs in pigsty B live in groups of between 3 and 6. They live in partition made of cement. Each partition is 2.5 meters by 3 meters. Besides, the pigsty has a small storeroom to keep cleaning tools. There are 4 species of the pigs. They are Duroc, American Yorkshire, local, and a combination of these 3 species. At a glance, the pigs do not look free, but actually they are happy living in their own world. They have a long song when they want to eat or when you come closer to them. In every pigsty, there is a clean water tank made of cement. All of the pigs drink clean water from the tanks. Besides, the water is used to clean their sty. That is why the pigsty look very clean, fresh, and have no stinky aroma. All the pigs stay happily to each of their rooms. Thank you.
I'm from the last grade from the Mataloko Seminary Junior High School. Now I will tell you about a dorm from the employee at Tanjung Mataloko Seminary. The last used building used to be a dorm. It has six partition rooms in different size. Two of the partitions are big, one medium and two small, like this. Okay. During the SVD time, until 4 years ago, there were almost 100 employees living there. But now, only Uncle Lenti living in one of the small partition, 4 meters by 3 meters. Its room lies right in the right corner that allows sunshine to enter his room. That it makes his room bright and healthy. Uncle Lenti takes care of the huge building. Next to Uncle Lenti's bedroom, there is a small partition. It is ready for another employee to live. Next to the small partition lie two big partitions. One of them is store mechanic tools and the other is stores health equipment for the pigs. The medium partition, used as an office, lies right in the end of the buildings. Among the buildings, there are 9 fish pools and 3 water tanks. Each of the fish pools lies hundreds of the thousands of fish. Each harvest season, all the pools provide enough fish for the whole community. People from Seminary Mataloko even buy the fish.
Hi, I'm Tunas. I want you to tell you about water tanks. There are 4 water tanks. 2 are made of cement. The other 2 are made of fiber. The water tanks provide clean water for the pigsties and fish pools. So the pigs and fish always have enough clean water. They can live happily in their own world and produce more offspring. The more they produce, the happier the seminary and even the society. All of the buildings in Sanjung are eye-catching and worth seeing. So please just come and visit. You can enjoy your time among the buildings. Besides, you can see how the seminary farm center takes care of their pigs and fish so as to provide them enough meat and fish. Besides, you can learn how to make the most of your improving enough good quality food and income. Bye bye.
After hearing the explanation from Tunas, Armin, and Denis, that's all about Mataloko Seminary Pig Farm. Thank you and see you next time. Bye bye.